Lynn here with the solo.io team. For the past 2 weeks, I have been working with Christian on understanding Istio and deploy Istio workshop. We will start with Envoy configuration to show you how you can configure Envoy manually to mediate the traffic among two microservices. I appreciate Istio so much more after I've gone through the Envoy configuration lab. Like most about the workshop is I have never seen any contents that's so thorough and unique to teach you about deploy Istio in production with lots of consideration in mind. Sounds interesting? Join us at solo.io for free. Christian and I will be there to help you and run this workshop with you together. Hope to see you there.